Good morning. How are you? Hope you all are well. As you know, our chapter Acids, Bases and Salts has been completed. Today we are going to start with the question answer section. First of all, we will start with short question answers. Please get ready along with the fair notebook. Write down today's date, chapter number and chapter name. Write down it fast in a very neat and clean handwriting. Chapter number, chapter name and today's date. Before I start the question answer, I want to give you few instructions. Listen them very carefully. First of all, writing should be very neat and very clean, and spelling should be written properly. I will speak the difficult spelling in between. Still, if you are having any difficulty regarding the spelling, you can look into the screen. Otherwise, there is no need to look into the screen. Just listen to me carefully and write your answer properly in a very proper manner. Now let us start the short question answers. Hope you all are ready along with the fair notebook. First question is, what are indicators? What are indicators? Right answer. Indicators are substances that show a change in color on coming in contact with acids and bases. Means a substance, whenever it come in contact with any acid or base, it will change its color, and by that change in color we can find out what is the nature of the given substance. So indicators are substances that show a change in color on coming in contact with acids and bases. Hope you all have done this question answer. Now the next question. You can see your question from your books also. Second question is, why does a doctor give an antacid who treat indigestion? Means the doctor who is treating the problem of indigestion, why he used to give antacid liquid to the patient? Let us start the answer. Indigestion occurs due to excessive 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 release of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Full stop. An antacid contains magnesium hydroxide, magnesium, magnesium hydroxide, hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, hydroxide, which is a base. I am repeating this line. An antacid contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. Full stop. Acidity of the stomach is neutralized by the base present in antacid liquid which treat the indigestion. Neutralized by the base present in antacid liquid which treat the indigestion. Question second is complete. Let us do third question. What is phenolphthalein? What is phenolphthalein? Answer. Phenolphthalein is an synthetic indicator prepared by dissolving phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. Phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. Full stop. It is colorless in acidic and neutral solutions and changes into deep pink color in basic solution. Changes into deep pink color in basic solution. Hope you all have done these three question answers. Let us move towards the next question. How does a farmer treat the soil that is too acidic? Answer: if the soil is too acidic, TOO. If the soil is too acidic, farmer treat it with the help of base. Full stop. Acidity of soil is neutralized by adding quicklime, bracket start, after quicklime bracket start, and in the bracket write down calcium oxide, bracket close, and slaked lime, bracket start, calcium hydroxide, bracket close, bases to soil. If the soil is too acidic, farmer treat it with the help of base. Full stop. Acidity of soil is neutralized by adding quicklime, in the bracket calcium oxide, and slaked lime, in the bracket calcium hydroxide bases to the soil. Last short question. What do you mean by alkali? Give examples. ALKALI, alkali. Answer: alkali. This is heading. First of all, give the heading alkali, give the hyphen, and from the same line write down the definition. Bases that dissolve in water are called alkalis. Bases that dissolve in water are called alkalis. Full stop. From the next line, for example, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Hope you all have done the short question answers along with me. Those who have not completed will complete these question answers by today only. And in the next video, we will continue our work with long question answers. Till then, you have to complete this work. Goodbye and have a nice day.